Hello friends, welcome back to Pen and Paper YouTube channel. Here we use nothing but a simple pen and paper to explain complex legal topics in the easiest way as possible. So our today's topic is that is going to affect thousands of people across India. So what happens when you default on a personal loan and how you are going to deal with the recovery agent, which is going to be a harass uh, situation. So we will try to find out what are the solutions open for you legally. So let's break it down. So friends, now first understand what is a personal loan default. So the personal loan default is going to occur when you fail to repay your EMIs for a certain period, which is going to be usually 90 days, that is 3 months of EMIs. Then bank classifies your account as non-performing asset or NPA, and then this is going to trigger the recovery action from the bank side, and which may include the calls you will be getting and the visits and the legal notices. So from here the process is going to start, basically the process of the legal recovery of the loan amount. For example, if you have borrowed rupees 5 lakh and you are going to miss 3 EMIs, the bank flags your account, that is the non-performing asset NPA, and then they may outsource the recovery to third-party agents. So these are all the people who are going to come and they will start questioning when you are going to pay the loan amount which you are supposed to pay. So friends, now we will be understanding who are the recovery agents. So the recovery agents are the third-party individuals hired by the banks to recover the dues. They are not police, they are not at all lawyers, and definitely not allowed to threaten or intimidate you regarding the recovery of the loan amount. So, if in case someone shows up at your home claiming to be from the bank and he starts shouting at you or he starts to threat you, so that is going to called as harassment, and then it is not at all going to be called as the recovery from the bank side. So friends, now we will see what is going to count as the harassment from the recovery or the bank agents. So harassment is going to include any behavior that is going to violate your dignity or privacy. So recovery agents cannot threaten you or cannot visit your workplace, as well as they cannot call your family or the relatives, or else they cannot also do the public shaming, and they cannot use the abusive language during the communication when they are going to come to your home. So basically these are all the points what has been written are the violations of the RBI guidelines, and this is also going to affect your constitutional rights. So friends, in case if something this scenario is going to happen with you, always make sure that this is a form of the harassment, and this is not the way how a bank or a third party recovery agent is going to behave with you. So if in case a recovery agent is going to call your employer to shame you, is also illegal. You can file a complaint immediately against that recovery agent. So they may use such tactics to recover the money. They may come to your workplace, they may call your employer, and they start telling to them that you have taken this much of amount, and they start telling lot of things in front of them. So this indirectly is going to affect your the workplace respect what you have over there. If these things are going to happen, then definitely you have the right to file a complaint against them immediately. So friends, we will now look at the legal remedies you have if in case any such scenarios which has happened with you. So what you can do is you have the powerful legal remedies available to you. So first you need to file a complaint with the bank on behalf of whom the bank officer or the recovery agent has arrived to you. So this is the first thing you can do. And second thing, if that is going to fail, then you need to reach out to RBI via grievance portal and you need to escalate this matter to RBI. And simultaneously, you can also file a police complaint under IPC sections for criminal intimidation and trespass. So this is very much important because someone cannot come and harass you and which is going to affect your dignity. You are living in a society, so make sure to take these steps even though you have failed to repay the loan amount. It is going to happen with multiple people. There are a lot of reasons to happen. So if these things are going to happen with you, kindly do the following things. And you need to file a police complaint under IPC sections for criminal intimidation and trespass. So friends, so you have a legal remedy which is available with you under IPC section 506. So which is going to mention threatening someone with harm is punishable. You can also approach the consumer court for compensation for this matter, and there also you can file a complaint against the respective bank and the recovery agent. So everyone is having a right to life and live with dignity. So if it is going to affect, then definitely you can reach out to the specific police station and file a complaint under section 506 of the IPC, and you can also go for the compensation in the consumer court. So friends, now we will be looking at what you should do if you default. So in case the situation arises and many people will face this situation that they are going to default some of the EMIs. So if in case you have defaulted, kindly do not panic. So first thing is what you need to do is you need to speak to your bank and you need to request for the restructuring of the loan. And also there are few scenarios whenever the recovery agents will come. So few people what they do is they will panic and they will try to give some cash to the recovery agent hoping that the loan what they have defaulted will be like it will be carry forward or they will not inform the bank about this. So kindly do not do this mistake and always keep records of all the communication what you are doing, and most importantly you need to know your rights. So in case if there is any default which has happened, you can ask your bank to reduce the EMI plan, and many banks are going to offer this under RBI restructuring schemes. So this is very important. Make sure you are not defaulting any loans. If in case these kind of situations arise, so kindly do not panic. The first thing is that most of us we will either not communicate with the bank, we won't be reaching out to them. We will think that a lot of people are doing this and I will also be anyhow I will come out of this. So kindly remember these kind of things are going to affect us one or the other day. They will be coming, they will finding out you and they will start threatening you. So if that moment comes, so before that itself, we need to be aware that I have defaulted the loan. I need to talk to my bank. I need to restructure the EMI because I'm not able to pay that much. Can you allow me the restructuring of the current EMIs which are currently running? And never ever give any cash to the recovery agents, hoping that they may avoid the situation and I may be escaping the liability. So friends, Today we have discussed about the personal loan default and how to deal with the situations whenever somebody is coming to you and reaching out to you for the recovery of the loan amount. If you know someone who is facing this kind of harassment or a loan default, kindly share this video. It might just protect their rights. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pen and Paper. We will meet you in our next video. Thank you.